Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about home warranties. Whether you're buying or selling a home, it's important to know what a home warranty is and how it can benefit you. In this video, I'll explain what home warranties are, why they're important, and how they can be used in real estate transactions. Before we jump in, be sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the Barton Realty channel to keep up with all things real estate. Alright, back to home warranties. A home warranty is a type of service contract that provides coverage for the repair or replacement of certain home systems and appliances that may break down due to normal wear and tear. These systems and appliances typically include things like heating and cooling systems, electrical systems, plumbing, and major appliances like refrigerators, stoves, and dishwashers. Home warranties are important for both buyers and sellers. For buyers, a home warranty can provide peace of mind knowing that they won't have to pay out of pocket for unexpected repairs to these systems and appliances soon after they move in. This can be especially important for first-time homebuyers who may not have a lot of experience with home repairs and maintenance. For sellers, offering a home warranty as part of the sale can make their home more attractive to potential buyers. It can also provide some protection against post-sale disputes over unexpected repairs or maintenance issues. Home warranties are often negotiated into the purchase agreement and can be paid for from the proceeds of the sale. This means that the buyer doesn't have to pay for the home warranty upfront and the seller can use it as an incentive for buyers to consider the home. It's important for both parties to understand the terms and conditions of the home warranty contract, as well as any limitations or exclusions that may apply. Sellers can also sign up for a home warranty before listing their home on the market as a way to make their home more attractive to potential buyers. This can give buyers the confidence to make an offer on the home, knowing that they'll have some protection against unexpected repairs. The cost of home warranties can vary depending on several factors, including the type of coverage you choose, the location of your home, and the company providing the warranty. Typically, the cost of a basic home warranty ranges from around $350 to $600 per year, with additional coverage options and upgrades available for an additional cost. Some home warranty companies may also charge a service fee or deductible for each repair or replacement service performed under the warranty. It's important to read the contract carefully and understand all of the costs associated with a home warranty before signing up for one. In conclusion, home warranties can be a valuable tool for both buyers and sellers in real estate transactions. By providing coverage for unexpected repairs to important home systems and appliances, home warranties can help make the home buying and selling process smoother and less stressful for everyone involved. If you're interested in learning more about home warranties, Barton Realty can provide you recommendations for home warranty companies their agents have experience with from years in the real estate industry. If you liked this video, be sure you give it a like and subscribe to the Barton Realty channel for more great real estate content.